Hello friends, I am your friend Manoj from Paras Bagwani. Today we will talk about a plant whose name is Aparajita plants. Today's video is based on the Aparajita plants. In this we will tell you how you can plant Aparajita at home and how to get beauty in your garden from it. Before starting the video, you are requested that if you like our video then you should subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to also that the notification of our other upcoming videos can reach you first as well as the video. Like and comment and tell us how you liked our video. So let's start the video on the complete introduction and care of Aparajita plants. The Aparajita plant is commonly known as Shankapushpi in Hindi. It is a small, perennial herb known for its use in traditional Ayurvedic medicine for its potential cognitive and memory-enhancing properties. Aparajita, Asian pigeonwings also known as Clitoria ternatia or butterfly pea flower, is a beautiful flowering plant native to Southeast Asia. Its striking blue or purple flowers make it a popular choice for gardens and herbal remedies. Sunlight, Aparajita plants flourish when exposed to abundant sunlight. Be sure to provide them with a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. When cultivating them indoors, position them in close proximity to a sunlit window. Soil, use well-draining, fertile soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH, around 6 to 7. Adding organic matter like compost can improve soil quality. Watering, Aparajita plants thrive on steady moisture levels but should not be subjected to waterlogged soil. It's important to maintain a regular watering schedule, ensuring that the soil remains consistently moist. In periods of high heat and dryness, you may find it necessary to increase the frequency of watering. Conversely, during the winter months, when the plant is in a less active growth phase, it's advisable to reduce the amount of watering to avoid oversaturation. Fertilization, during the active growth season, which typically occurs in spring and summer, provide your Aparajita plant with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. As growth naturally slows down in the fall and winter, consider reducing or ceasing fertilization during this period. Pruning is generally not necessary for Aparajita plants, but you can trim them to maintain their shape or remove dead or leggy growth. Support, if you are growing a climbing variety of Aparajita, provide a trellis or some kind of support for the vines to climb on. Pests and diseases, Aparajita plants are relatively resistant to pests and diseases, but keep an eye out for aphids, whiteflies, and mealybugs. If you notice any issues, treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Propagation, you can propagate Aparajita plants from seeds or cuttings. Seeds are readily available and can be sown directly in the garden or in containers. Cuttings can be taken from healthy stems and rooted in a well-draining potting mix. Temperature, Aparajita plants are sensitive to cold temperatures. They thrive in warm climates and are not frost-tolerant. If you live in a region with cold winters, consider growing them as annuals or bringing them indoors during the winter. Mulching, applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant can help conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Supporting wildlife, Aparajita flowers are known to attract butterflies and bees. If you are interested in supporting pollinators in your garden, this plant can be a great addition. Remember that specific care requirements can vary depending on the local climate and the variety of Aparajita you are growing, so it's a good idea to observe your plant's behavior and adjust care as needed. With the right care, Aparajita plants can reward you with their stunning flowers throughout the growing season. Aparajita flower season, the Aparajita flower, also known as Clitoria ternatia or butterfly pea flower, is a tropical plant known for its vibrant blue or purple flowers. The flowering season for Aparajita flowers can vary depending on the climate and region. In tropical and subtropical climates, they can bloom year-round. However, in some temperate regions, they may bloom during the warmer months of the year, typically from late spring to early fall. So now you have understood how to grow Aparajita plants at home. If you liked this video, please share it. Stay connected for more such plant information. Just keep these few things in mind. Your plant will always enhance the beauty of your home and also provide you beneficial and pure air. This is the end of today's video. Let's meet in another video to talk about caring for another plant. Till then, bye friends, happy gardening.